Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Sheets to make in 2026. If you want to automate your spreadsheets and connect them with other apps, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Make website, and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, create a new scenario or open an existing one where you want to use Google Sheets. Next, click the plus icon to add a module. In the search box, type Google Sheets and select it from the list of available apps. Now choose the action or trigger you need. For example, you can select Watch New Rows, Add a Row, Update a Row, or Search Rows, depending on your automation workflow. Next, click Add or Create a Connection. A Google Sign-In window will appear. Sign in with the Google account that contains the spreadsheet you want to use. Review the requested permissions and click Allow to authorize Make to access your Google Sheets. Once the connection is complete, your account will appear in the module settings. Now select the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to connect. Configure any additional settings, such as the row range or columns, then click Run once to test the connection. If the test is successful, save your scenario and turn it on. Your Google Sheets automation will now run automatically based on the trigger or action you've configured. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Google Sheets to make step-by-step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.